Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TEUM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, but it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where these green line up here are coming from. But after today's price movement, certainly some updates need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house clean and just get rid of that line there. Sure, it pertains, just not relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So in the event there is any sort of attempted bounce to the upside, which is looking very possible, and I'll get to that in a second, that $4 mark is going to be that initial level that the price will have to fight through. If the price can get up through the $4 mark, then the next key overall level to watch and keep an eye on would be that purple line there, which on my chart is denoting the 50-period simple moving average. However, as of right now, one bridge at a time, one hurdle at a time, and that near-term hurdle is going to be the $4 mark. Now, what about levels of support? Well, actually, let me take a step back because I made the comment about, a potential bounce. And I say the potential bounce because you look at the final 30 minutes represented by the big old volume surge right there. And then you look at the candle that was formed in the world of technical trading, we would call that a hammer candle. So hammer candle on big volume, while there is no such thing as a guarantee in the market. So I can't say that because these dynamics happen, a bounce is for sure going to happen. It wouldn't be shocking to see some sort of bounce, occur either. So like I said, very interesting final 30 minutes of the day. Good to see that the price was able to fight back, form that hammer candle, and now it becomes a very valid and logical question to wonder, hey, can the price actually work its way up to the $400 mark? We'll have to see what happens with it. Now, as far as, scenarios where this is not any sort of bottom and the price is not going to bounce, where's the next overall level of support at? That would be down here right around $3.80. So 380, next key level to watch if there's not any sort of bounce. If the price breaks down below 380, then at that point, probably headed down below 375, if not lower. However, as of right now, got the nice close, got the nice hammer candle, so we'll see if this can lead into any sort of upwards movement or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.